What if we let go of what tells us to go? The thing inside that tells us to move faster, to feel less, or to do something that doesn't feel good. What if we let go of the urgency to know the how and why, and instead surrendered to wonder, to awe, to moving slowly and with intention? What if we shed all that doesn't feel good and instead leaned into doing something that felt right? What if we looked to the land for guidance instead of our phones? If we sat with the land, dropping into the present, and watched, listened, opened ourselves up to curiosity, to explore, to observe, to love on the present moment, to open ourselves up to the inner world and connecting to our bodies, shedding the need to figure things out, and instead making space for trust. Trusting that in this moment we are meant to receive. Trusting our bodies and leaning into exploration. What if urgency didn't rule our body and minds? What if we listened to the teachings of nature? How might that impact our lives? Nature moves slow with a rhythm and cadence. It moves with intention. It moves without overanalyzing the way things are. Our minds get in the way of our instinctual desire to be in harmony. The simplicity of nature, the simplicity of being present is letting go, is being here, is releasing what tells us we can't do, releasing those restrictions and do it. Because we are all a part of nature. We are all made of nature. We are all made of energy. We are all made for joy. And when we restrict ourselves from feeling joy, we will never know what joy feels like. We can search, we can try to find, we can spend our money on all of the things that we think and we are sold to find or to have, that this item will bring us joy, when in actuality we have everything inside of us already. We have everything inside of us already to bring us joy. The more we take to sit with the land, the more undoing can be done. The more gratitude can be held, and our minds can learn the gifts the land holds. Release the restrictions, come back to the beauty that nature provides, the key nature holds to yourself.